Hey guys, my name is Akhil and welcome to our channel BTech Career Guide. So in this video, I brought you one of the interesting posts from Greek for Greeks. Yesterday night I've seen the post, but I didn't have certain time to make the video, so doing the video now in the morning. Okay, so here is the post. So Nation SkillUp went offline, and we are bringing 5 back-to-back power-packed workshop to our cities. So they have been conducting workshop in particular cities. I'll be letting you know what other cities are. Okay, so for the agenda for the entire five 5 days is like for week one we'll be building a business database which is on August 27th, okay, this month. And week two you have this portfolio website live September 3rd, and week three we have DSA for interviews September 10th, and week four data storytelling challenge September 17th, and week five weather app with React September 24th. So if you can check the dates, all the dates fall on this Wednesday, like 27 August, the week one, week two, week three, week four, week five. So likewise, we have almost around 5 days which are on Wednesday. Okay, I'll be telling the date and time. Okay, no worries. So the locations are, so 5 days, 5 places: Noida, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Patna. So these are the locations that they have selected for this workshops. So it is completely free. So free entry. You'll be getting one T-shirt from the GfG Greek for Greeks, and then certification of participation for this entire 5 days. Okay, so book your slots. In case if you are staying in Noida or surrounding places, click on this link. If you're staying in Bangalore or near any area, nearby area, just click on this link. Pune, this one, Hyderabad, this one, and then Patna, this one. Okay. So likewise, they have been given simply in this image. Okay. So now I stay near Hyderabad. So if I click on Hyderabad, let me close this. Okay. So this is the thing. Free offline workshop. Like they will be kind of covering DSA, DS, backend, Gen AI, MERN, and you also get a T-shirt plus a certification. So set by Greek for Greeks. This is the address where you need to navigate. Reliance Cyber Villa, flat number 17 to 24 Villa, Vettel Rao Nagar, Madarwada. So this is the maps. Okay. So the date is August 2027, 2025. 4 p.m. So from 4 to 7 it will be. Okay. So Reliance Towers, you can click this. Reliance Towers. You look nice. So this is the towers. Flat number 17 to 24 it seems. Just go there. Just go there and explore. Okay. So you'll be finding there. The entire mode of speaking will be in English. Okay. So description. The Greek for Greeks Hyderabad workshop series, part of Nation Skill Up initiative, is designed to help students and professionals gain hands-on technical skills through engaging beginner-friendly projects. Over 5 consecutive weeks, you will be learning cutting-edge tools, strengthening your coding skills, build impressive projects guided by industry mentors. So when every Wednesday from 4 to 7, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 3 hours, you will be having this workshop where Greeks for Greeks Hyderabad Center. Format: practical workshop plus live project completion plus mentor guidance. You'll be finding each and everything there. Okay, build some network with the people who comes there or with the mentors or GF, GFG team. So bonus rewards: certification of participation plus GFG T-shirts rewards for all attended the offline sessions. Okay, so you need to attend all the 5 offline sessions every Wednesday at Hyderabad from 4 to 7. Likewise for different states, not states, for different locations. Okay, so Hyderabad workshop calendar. So August 27, creating a stunning business dashboard from scratch. September 3, build and deploy portfolio website. September 10, DSA for interviews. September 17, launch your first REST API with Spring Boot. September 20, build a live weather app with React. So mostly they will be covering you all the tech stacks. In case if you see here, like they you need to have some HTML, CSS, Bootstrap to build this business dashboard from scratch, and then portfolio they'll be telling you how to host and everything. And DSA, that's very important for any other interview. And then first REST API with Spring Boot, which is a Java thing. Okay, that's a very good technology in case if you want to go for it. And then build a live weather app with React. That's an amazing tech. Okay, so for 5 days you'll be having all these things. So that's the agenda. And what you learn. So by joining the Hyderabad workshop series, you will be getting Gain hands-on expertise in data visualization, web design, backend development, React, and more. Yeah. Understand complex project workflows from idea to deployment. Good. Strengthen your JSA problem solving and optimization skills for interview. Work with industry relevant tools and frameworks, HTML, CSS, Spring Boot, React, Python APIs. So all this will be covered in these particular sessions. So build a portfolio of 5 job-ready projects to showcase your skills. So check out the full range of online center courses available at this location. That's not required. But in case if you're staying near Hyderabad or Bangalore, Pune, Patna, anywhere, as I mentioned, if you have time at least for 3 hours, just this is complete for students in case if you don't have any projects in your resume. Okay, go to these workshops or professional also, professional people, anybody. In case if you're interested, if you have time for 3 hours, just go, learn new things, build network. That's how you grow. Okay, so that is what I will be telling you. Okay, that's it mostly. And I'll be giving this LinkedIn post as well as these links in the description box. Just go there and grab your spot. Okay, I don't know whether the seat will be available or not by the time you'll watch and then you click enroll, but it will be like first come first serve. I can't click on enroll now because it will be showing all my details. I have clicked that. So I'll be giving this link. Go there and then just enroll there. Okay. And don't forget to attend after you enroll. Okay. So most of will be what happen is like they'll be having interest to attend, like they'll be seeing okay, free workshop. I need to go and learn new things. They'll be enrolling with 100% enthusiasm. And after that, when the day comes, they'll feel like why to go there? It's a long journey. I need to stay for 3 hours there again. I need to come back. They'll drop their interest by 50%. And in the meanwhile, friends will be coming. Friends will say, this guy, what did you do? It's like they'll be asking his friends whether you'll be coming for this workshop or not. He'll be saying like, I can learn this online. Why to go there? And his interest drops to 10%. And at the end it will be becoming zero. So I don't want this candidates to attend this kind of thing. Okay, in case if you are in this mindset, just don't go there, don't grab any spot. It will be useful for other people, right? So in case if you are truly interested to attend this workshop for 5 days from 4 to 7, grab the opportunity, go there. So it's a different view, like you watch cricket in the TV and you watch cricket in the stadium, right? So it's better to watch cricket in the stadium itself. Just go to the workshop, try to understand how the industry works. So there will be mentors, try to speak them, try to understand how the tech works, how the 4.0 technologies are, ask them questions, pose questions, learn new things, learn on the weak areas which you are like DSA kind of thing. Okay, so these are few sessions from me. Recently I have attended this AI workshop, and then that's for 2 days. I've connected with different CEOs, HRs and everything, but usually it's a big networking kind of thing. Just my portfolio went high. Just a second. Okay, so that's how you need to build your network. Okay. Anyways, I'll be giving all these links in the description box. Don't forget to enroll. All the best. And one more thing, I don't get anything from this. Bye bye.